So the next subdivision is actually testing, hypothesis testing, and it is interesting one. Okay, let us read the problem. Following a timetable change, the teacher claims that on average most students arrive late than before the change. So after the timetable change, she is realizing that more students arrive late than before. So during a randomly chosen 5-day period, a total of 4 students are late. In the 5 days, 4 students are late. So test the teacher's claim at the 5% significance level. What is the usual process of testing it? It is, as I mentioned, the first one is hypothesis is the first thing that we have to do. So what is a hypothesis? It is null hypothesis, which is here, since it is related with Poisson distribution, lambda value is 1.25. How it is 1.25? It is because for one day, it is actually we have calculated for a 5-day period already that lambda equal to 1.25. That is what we are going to take it. And the teacher claims that the new one is actually increased, so we want to take it lambda is greater than 1.25. This is what the hypothesis. In the hypothesis, we will give null hypothesis and alternate. Then we will have to go for testing. How to test it? Since we are checking whether it is increased, we have to find probability of x greater than or equal to what is the value that given value is tested value is 4. This is what we want to check. So how to check probability of x greater than or equal to 4 in the Poisson distribution? So usually we do 1 minus probability of 0, 1, 2, 3. Just applying that regular formula, 1 minus e power negative 1.25, 1 plus 1.25 plus 1.25 square by 2 factorial plus 1.25 power 3 by 3 factorial. So these calculated values are giving me the answer 0.0383. If you ask me testing, actually testing is over now. Now we are going to the conclusion. So the conclusion is we are getting the probability of 0.0383 and we should compare this with 5%, that significance level. 5% is nothing but 0.05. The value is lesser. When the value is lesser, the test is passed, it means that new claim is true. So we can say that there is enough evidence for what? There is enough evidence for what? On teacher's claim, the new claim. That more students are late. Than before. So this is how the testing works. So whenever the hypothesis testing is there, we will be doing 3 different things, which is hypothesis, testing, and then conclusion. In the hypothesis, we have to give what is the existing value and then what is the claim. Then we have to do the testing with the given values. Then after the testing, in the conclusion, we should compare the probability value with the significance percentage. If it is lesser, we will say there is enough evidence. It means that new claim we will take it. If it is greater, we will say that the old claim is true. Right?